In this video, we'll discuss what a simple random sample is and how you can use Excel to take a simple random sample. So suppose a population has capital N individuals and we want to take a sample of size little n. When will the sample be a simple random sample? If each set of little n individuals has the same chance of being chosen. So for example, let capital N be 5. So our population has 5 elements, 1 through 5, and little n is 2. So we take a sample of size 2. So what would define a simple random sample? If every possible combination of 2 items out of 5 had the same chance of being chosen. Below we've listed every possible combination of 2 items out of 5. 1 with 2, 1 with 3, 1 with 4, 1 with 5. 2 with 3, 2 with 4, 2 with 5, 3 with 4, 3 with 5, 4 with 5. So there are 10 possible ways to pick 2 items out of 5. So if each of those combinations has a 1/10 chance of occurring in your sampling, then you would have a simple random sample. So now it's easy to use Excel to take a simple random sample. Here's an example. We have a list of NBA players, and basically suppose we want to take a random sample of 10 NBA players. There's about 285 here. So how could we do that? So that every combination of 10 NBA players has the same chance of being chosen. Well, we use Excel's RAND function. If you type RAND in a cell, you're equally likely to get any number between 0 and 1. And if you copy that down, and I hit F9, those numbers change. Now what I want to do is freeze those random numbers so that they don't change. And then if I sort on this column and I just assign as my sample the 10 players that have the 10 largest random numbers in their row, I have a simple random sample. Because basically every combination of 10 players has the same chance of being chosen. So I'll select these random numbers, copy them, then I can go right click and there's this 1, 2, 3 that freezes the random numbers. So now they're not random. And now all I have to do is select these 2 columns, and if I sort on the random numbers, I could take the 10 largest or the 10 smallest. It doesn't matter. So basically I would say sort on the random numbers, we'll say the 10 largest, largest to smallest. That puts 10 different players on top. And basically that would be my random sample of size 10. If I wanted a random sample of size 20, I would go down 20 rows. Now clearly every combination of 10 players had the same chance of being chosen here. So basically this simple procedure enables you to easily take a simple random sample from any population. Now in the next video we'll talk about problems that can occur when people take samples, and we've seen some of these problems in election polls.